guys, welcome back to another clean with me video. My apartment is a mess and I've been putting it off for a couple days now. It's time to get to it. It's time to clean because I did clean my tub yesterday before I got in the shower, but I am gonna spray it again, but it's already clean. I'm just go back over it, I guess. Y'all finna see these dishes over here. This is unacceptable. I haven't even been home for real. So when I am home, I just eat and then I leave the dishes in the sink. But I did take my trash out yesterday. So I only have one bag of trash right now. But we finna have some more trash because I'm throwing some stuff out. I'm putting some stuff up in my attic so I can have more space in here. Yeah, so we finna get everything clean. If you haven't checked out the last deep clean with me video, make sure you check it out. I'm not gonna be cleaning inside of my fridge because it is still clean from the last time, but I am gonna do my other fridge. Yeah, and you know, all the other stuff gotta be cleaned up. If you are new here, hello, welcome. I am Sha'Naya O'Shea. I mostly do vlogs. I do sprinkle in some business type content. I do sell lip gloss, which I have on right now. This is the Gloss Obsessed, real pretty and glittery. I do also sell lip scrubs and I offer wholesale. So if you're interested in that, make sure you click the link in the description box, shanayaoshea.com, and support the brand. And then sometimes I'll sprinkle in some clean with me type content. So this is what this is. And yeah, I hope that you all enjoy this video. And let's get to cleaning, okay? I think that I'm going to start in the bathroom today and then I'm gonna come into the kitchen, wash the dishes, and get everything else in the kitchen area clean. And then we'll go over to my sleep living room type area. And once again, if you're new here, I do live in a studio apartment. So it's not much to clean, but I do have stuff to clean, if that makes sense. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started because I'm honestly chatting right now.
think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep this.
Now that I'm done with the bathroom, I'm going to move on to the kitchen. And the first thing I'm going to do is wash these dirty dishes. Okay, so this part was much needed. These wines have been in here for about like 2, 3, maybe 4 years, and I do not like them. The only one I like is Stella Rosa. These are trash. But yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and clean my sink out. All I'm going to say is I'm glad I had these bags down because this could have went horribly, okay? I'm trash at pouring oil. I really needed a funnel.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, hide and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside
So now we're moving on to my living room sleep area. So right now I'm going to be throwing away these old gloss containers. They're empty, there's no need to keep them. And then I'm going to be putting these boxes and stuff up in my attic. For the next part, I was basically saying I'm going to be taking the 2 big pails and putting the leftovers into the small ones so that I can throw the 2 big ones out.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right, gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn, baby girl, you know
These 2 bags have shoes in them. I'm just going to put them up in my attic so that they won't be in the way. And then I'm going to be putting all of my trash by the door so that I'll take it out in the morning. Look at all that trash I have to take out, bro. So much. But yeah, and then I'm going to move this somewhere else. And right here is just my business stuff. I wish I could get rid of this big box, but it has lots of business stuff in it. I just need to take the time to like really organize. And then those shoes are on Poshmark. I'm just waiting for somebody to purchase them. We finally made it to the end, so now I'm going to be sweeping my floor and Swiffering it. I didn't show every bit, but I did sweep and Swiffer every bit of my apartment. But yeah, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to leave a like and a comment and hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed. And I will see you all in the next video. Make sure you check out my other videos if you haven't already. I have a couple cleaning videos up on my channel if that's what you're interested in.